Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure the G345 has power. This matters because pairing won't begin if the battery is low. Once charged or batteries are inserted, power the headset on and watch the LED for status: steady, blinking, or off. Make sure you have the correct accessory ready: the USB wireless receiver for wireless mode or the 3.5mm cable for wired use. These are essential first steps because they determine the connection method you'll follow next. Now connect the hardware. Plug the USB receiver directly into a PC or console port. Avoid passive hubs so signal stays strong. If you prefer wired, plug the 3.5mm cable into the device's headset jack. Make sure mic and headphone symbols match ports. Once connected, your system should recognize the headset. If you want equalizer control or mic adjustments, install Logitech G345 and run the firmware check. This gives you control and ensures optimal codec and latency settings. Finish by selecting the G345 as the default playback and recording device in your operating system. This routes game and chat audio correctly. Once set, test audio and speak into the mic while adjusting gain and output volume in both OS sound settings and Logitech G345. Make incremental changes to avoid distortion. If you encounter problems, reset the USB receiver, try a different port, restart the host device, and check for firmware updates. This single troubleshooting step resolves most connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.